Hi guys, I wanted to show you what the Nissan looked like when we went traveling the first time around and how that build was in comparison to now. So I did have a platform in there, that's where I put my bed, and in this video I was cleaning it out and getting it ready for the new build. Right there you can see the shell of a seat, and that is where I used to sit when I would do my remote work. In my new build, it was really important for me to make sure that I made the space as open as possible because I do have 2 additional cats. And initially I did want hardwood flooring with like panels on top, but then as you can see I did switch to carpet. It's way more cozier and it's something that I can actually go ahead and change out anytime that I want to if they do get dirty. As you can see, I cut it out to the length of the flooring, if that makes sense. And then here I'm just talking about the setup and how I have so much storage, and I'm super stoked for that. So right where you see the open space, I do intend on getting a bed, but right now I'm going to use my old cushions that I used last time I traveled. And yes, as you can see, I totally ran out of carpet, but that's okay, we made it work. And here I'm just showing you another angle of the space, and again talking about all the storage I have. That is where the cat litter is going to go. As you can see, I've tested that out already. I'm super excited about this build. I love how open it is. I love the new light that's coming in from the window. We are getting new tint for the window, so that's exciting as well. Make sure you stick around for more updates on the space. Bye!